So what is up, traders? How's it going? Welcome to crypto emergency meeting. You know how we do it. This is BTC USDT on my screen. In the last video that I made, we were here and I was saying this was the first level of truth, the level where we would know if we were going to continue to go up or we were going to come down. So two things could have happened here. Number one, we went up this way, and number two, we rejected here and came down. Guess what? As you can see on the chart, number two played out, and that number two means that we are back down. Even if we went up, the probability that we were still going to come down when we got here was very high. So in any case, the bears would have still had it, but the bears are having it early, and it's a good thing. I was short here, so I took a short trade here. I already closed that trade. I entered another short because I'm expecting the market to just bounce a little bit. So let me clean this up. Now that we're here, what I'm expecting is that the market just starts rejecting from here, continue to fall down and take this low. That's what I'm expecting. If that does not happen, there is a case where the market bounces. So it's possible that it goes up, comes here, and then maybe come to this level right here and then continue. But I don't see this happening. What I would like to see happen is that the market just continue to fall. The reason is because this level right here where I have this line is a range. That's last week's range, and the market went above it, tested this region, rejected heavily, elevator down, stairs up, elevator down, another elevator down below the range, and now it has retested it. Buyers are not in charge of this market. It's obvious from the way the market has been moving. Most of the push has just been manipulated longs. So with this rejection, I'm expecting it to continue to fall down. By the time we get here, I'm going to begin to close my shorts, because once we get here, the market can bounce. This is what I expect to happen in the market. But you know how it goes. I'm not a fortune teller, I'm a trader. So it's not about what I want, it's about what the market is going to do. But from all indication, from what I'm getting, this is what the market is going to do. So this is what I'm going to be doing. If I go to the 1 hour time frame, still the same, still gonna be the same. So this is just like a retest of this zone right here. It's like a retest of this zone. So maybe the market still pumps back up and then we get that fall. Look at break, another dump, break, another dump, and now we're having this again. What are we expecting? Another break. Structure and liquidity. That's what's happening. Break of structure, retest, break of structure, retest, break of structure. So as for me, I'm going to be shorting this market. We still have room on the downside, and that's what I'm going to be aiming for. I'm still on shorts. If we look at Ethereum, the same thing. I'm also on an Ethereum short. So for Ethereum, this was the level. We tested it, came back down. This level is strong, so it's having a retest. Who knows, maybe it still even comes back here. but ultimately I'm expecting it to go downwards. So this is on Ethereum. I'm in this short trade. I haven't closed it. There's no need to close it. We're gonna be holding this guy until this level, at least. This is the safe spot. Of course, TP1 can be here, TP2 here, but TP2 is likely the sweet spot if you want to hold. So that's about it, guys. We are still shorting the market. All right, so I'm gonna go on and turn on the indicator that helps you analyze the market. If you don't want to get involved in all the technical things that I've just done, there's a very nice indicator, marks out the levels for you, gives you your entry, gives you your stop. So using the indicator, let's see what it's gonna tell us. So this is BTC on the 4-hour time frame. It says entry, stop, so which is a short. So it says enter here, stop here, but because of liquidity, it has passed that stop, but it's also still within the range. Reason why I said the market is expected to start falling any moment from here. So it says take profit here. We're already in the trade on the 4-hour, so it's selling. It even says take profit here. I'm even saying take profit here, which means this guy can still fall downwards. Ideally, this was the level I marked initially, but because of all that have been happening, of course, first level take profit is going to be here, second level is going to be here, and then the indicator is even saying it could come as low as 57, but I'm not going to be holding until that. For Ethereum on the 4-hour time frame, let's see what that's gonna be. Ethereum on the 4-hour time frame, the same thing. So this trade is already in motion. It says enter here, take profit here. So this was the level of entry. We're already in that trade. It came down, bounced back up. We are at the mid-range, so it's possible that this guy even goes back up here before falling, because usually it's not ideal to enter a trade in the middle of the range, and that's where we currently are. So if you're not in this trade, I would say just hold on, wait for this guy to pump a little bit more. It could come back here, anywhere around here before it falls, which aligns with what I did initially. Uni has been selling take profit 1, take profit 2, so this guy can still fall up until 3.0. So if you want this indicator, shoot me a message on WhatsApp, link in the description, and I'll get you sorted. So that's gonna be it, guys. As a summary, we are shorting BTC. That's what we're doing. I've given you several reasons why we're shorting BTC in the previous videos, and right now we are in a trade. We're just gonna be holding and following through. I might just extend my stop loss maybe higher, somewhere like here, just in case the market bounces a little bit harder. But ultimately, this is my first level take profits that I'm expecting, and then ultimately here 61 to 60,000. The first level take profit is around $62,000. So that's about it, guys. BTC sell. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.